elevator at Suncoast, Las Vegas, Nevada. Going down?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Go
thank
ahead.
you.
Level?
Whatever the walkway one is.
P1.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Go ahead.
Have a good day.
You too. Alright. There's the door. Up to 4. That's what it looks like down here. There's no other elevators down here. Let's do a cab view. Your rather basic elevator. Alright, let's go to C, go up to P4, we're gonna get off at P3. I think these are Elevonic 411. Alright. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go to P3 and let's get off there. Well, anyways, there it goes.